In the previous two sessions, we had discussed what is error, what are the types of error. In the today's session, we will discuss what is rounding, what is precision, what is accuracy, and error propagation. Now, first of all, we will see what is rounding. If the digit to be discarded or eliminated by 4 or less than 4, the value of the last digit, that is not changed, that is returned. But if the value is 5 or greater than 5, then the number is increased by 1. For example, if we have to round off the given number up to 2 decimal places, then the number can be represented as 1.85. Because the digits we have to discard is 5, that's why we increase 4 by 1 and the number become 1.85. If we have to round off the given number up to 1 decimal place, then the number can be represented as 1.8. Because the digits we have to discard is 4, thus the value 8 remains same. Next, we will see what is precision. A measure of the agreement of experimental measurements with each other, that is, the actual position of the rightmost significant digit ranges, is a precision. For example, 321.56. In this number, there is an accuracy of 5 significant digits and precision of 2 significant digits. Let's discuss second example, that is 3.2156. In this number, there is an accuracy of 5 significant digits and precision of 4 decimal places. In the third example, that is the number 3,21,560. This number has an accuracy of 5 significant digits and precision of tens place. Next, we will discuss what is accuracy. A measure of the deviation of the measured value from the true or accepted value is called an accuracy. It means the number of significant digit it has. Let's see what is error propagation. Propagation of error is defined as the effect of a function by a variable uncertainty. It is a calculus-derived statistical calculation designed to combine uncertainties from multiple variables in order to provide accurate measurement of uncertainty. Every measurement has an area of uncertainty about it, and not all uncertainties are equal. Uncertainty in measurements comes in a variety of ways, such as in instrument variability, different observers, sample differences, time of days, etc. Typically, error is given by the standard deviation of a measurement. The formula for calculating the error propagation are: for addition and subtraction, the formula is del z equal to modulo of del x plus modulo of del y plus so on. And the formula for multiplication and division is del z upon z equals to del x upon x plus del y upon y plus so on. For example, find z equal to x plus y minus w with its uncertainty given as. For the solution of given question, first we have to calculate z, that is z equals to x plus y minus w. By putting the values of x, y and w in the equation, we get z equals to 0.48. Now, secondly, we have to calculate del z. The formula of del z equals to del x plus del y minus del w. By putting the uncertainties in the equation, we get del z equals to 0.82 and the final uncertainty is, that is, z plus minus del z equals to 0.48 plus minus 0.82. Thank you.